Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the Widebody kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, one of the things that's going to stand out to you immediately is going to be the nice carbon fiber wrapped center console and instrument cluster. The gauges are a red-faced racing style background. It's an 8.4 inch Uconnect screen, and the Alcantara suede wraps out the door panels as well, giving a nice racing style interior to this absolute performance machine. The Black Ghost is augmented with nice racing style hood scoops. They are functional. They're going to feed the cool air box. You get upper and lower scoops. Large grille, allowing plenty of cool air to pass through that massive front mount intercooler. The hood, everything is held down by functional hood pins with a nice black base plate. This is going to keep that hood from flying up at the 150 plus miles an hour that this car is well capable of. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.